Hi everybody, Mrs MLG here from Mightylands Games, and it's time for my Mini of the Week. Now this one's a little bit different. For a start, it's not a Reaper. It is some of the CaDA stuff. Now, is it CaDA or CaDA? I'm not quite sure, but it's this. But these are new, and I really like them. Like when I was adding them, I thought, oh, they are really cool. So there's different ones, and they all make different little houses to go on the street, and they've got LEDs, so they light up. How beautiful would that look? All displayed on your display shelf, all lit up and warm and cozy for the burr months. I do really like this one. So this is the Japanese tea shop. I'm not going to try and pronounce the designer because I won't get it right, and that's not very friendly of me, is it? But it does say on each box who has designed the kit. They are Lego compatible, as well as other brick, clicking together bricks. There's a word for that, isn't there, that I can't remember. But they are Lego compatible, and they're a lot on the better side of your wallet than some Lego kits, and they're awesome. They are awesome. They're wonderfully constructed, sturdy bricks, and beautiful kits. They're for ages 14 plus because there are some small parts. This one has 1,200 pieces, so that's going to keep you busy for a while, and it's quite heavy. Can you see the 1-to-1 scale here? Will give you an idea of the bricks. Oh, they're quite heavy. And then there is the Kitty's Grocery as well. They're just adorable, and I can't imagine how sweet they're going to look when they're all on your display shelf and they're lit and they're glowing and they're beautifully designed. Now there are some more of which I don't know. Oh, they're here. Chloe, can you see me all the way over here? We've got quite a few, we have quite a few, and I do think that they're all amazing. So take your pick, really. So this one is the Steamed Bun Shop. This one has an apartment above it. So it's like if you owned the Steamed Bun Shop, then you would live in the apartment above. And of course they have movable parts. I've tried to put in the descriptions when I've added them to the website which bits move and which, information about them on there. So this one, the back opens so that you can play. They are playable kits as well as just display pieces. This one is Summer Breeze Coffee Shop. Look at that one. Got all of the things that you get inside. I do really like them, and I would love it if you got these from mightylandsgames.co.uk, and here in our Bridlington shop, as you can see. If you did get these, I would love to see a picture of you building them and how they look all together, all glowing with that LED. Where's the little LED? All glowing. I think that they're going to look absolutely amazing. I know there's some more. I can't show you them all though, can I? Oh, what a strange little video this is. So, just checking what Gizzy was doing then. So this one is a coffee house. I think this one looks a bit more modern, but again, lots and lots of detail and lots of things that you can have in there. And this one is Japanese style Canteen. And all of these things, all the flags and everything, there's an idea of the scale for you. So this one is 18.5 centimetres high and 13.6 centimetres wide. I think that helps maybe show you the scale. But anyway, these are my Mini of the Week. These adorably cute, wonderfully detailed, fantastic value for all of the pieces. 861 pieces in that one. And 768, I think it says upside down. But there are different kits. I really do like them. Let me know in the comments below if you like them. If this is your kind of thing that you would love to sit on an evening and build on your own and relax, or with your family and get everybody involved. Like I said, 14 plus, because they're all smart or are small parts. Take care, everybody, and please give me a like and a subscribe. That would be awesome. And check out mightylancergames.co.uk. See you next time.